I like to have herbal syrups on hand. I keep them in things like tincture bottles where I'm taking part of a dropper full, you know, at different times in the day, and it tastes really good. And other times, I like to bring it into my life as a beverage. So a lot of people that maybe want to avoid sodas or enjoy sweet beverages in their lives, and they want to make sure that they have access to that in their life, it can be really nice, is to make a syrup soda. So I start with any sparkling water. My herbalist friend Shannon reminded me yesterday to make sure that the sparkling water doesn't have a lot of extra sodium. So you'll check it and make sure you're not just adding a lot of salt into your diet. But this is one I enjoy. And I'm going to add 8 ounces of sparkling water. And if I sometimes make it in the big pitcher for friends. You can add ice if you want. And then I put 2 ounces of my elderberry syrup. Woo. Or 1 ounce. This is really strong. Then I can cut up lime, also high in vitamin C. Delicious. Have a nice beverage that I can share with friends. Do you have any questions?